The Euhomy, the BLACK+DECKER, or VIVOHOME? Perhaps the Sentern or the COSTWAY? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 portable dryers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best portable dryers. The 5th product on this list is the VIVOHOME VH838. Introducing the VIVOHOME Compact Laundry Clothes Dryer, a smart and user-friendly appliance that makes doing laundry a breeze. With its intuitive knob control panel and LED display, anyone can easily navigate through the different modes of clothing care, including drying, degerming and deodorization, half heating, and air cooling. Constructed with high-quality materials, the dryer's casing and drum are wear-resistant and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. Say goodbye to weather-related limitations and hello to clean, soft clothes all year round with its efficient PTC heating method. The dryer's intelligent sensors detect temperature and humidity in real time, automatically shutting off when clothes are dry, saving energy and protecting your clothes. Safety is also a top priority with features such as automatic power off after opening the cover to prevent electric shock, overheating protection to avoid scalding injury, and a translucent anti-scalding window for observing the drying process. Designed with attention to detail, the dryer features a stainless steel interior tub that reduces wear and tear on clothes, and a 20-minute air cooling process at the end to ensure clothes are at an appropriate temperature when you take them out. It also operates quietly at less than 52 decibels, making it perfect for use in any setting. Even better, the control panel is easy to operate, and its simple design is perfect for apartments that can be installed in various ways. That includes on flat ground alone, stacked on a washing machine or rack, or wall-mounted with the included brackets. Make laundry day a breeze with the VIVOHOME Compact Laundry Clothes Dryer. Its pros are: it is user-friendly and easy to operate with a knob control panel. It is made with high-quality materials. It has a space-saving design with options for installation. However, some users find that it struggles if filled more than halfway. The VIVOHOME VH838 is a fantastic option for someone living in a small apartment. Up next in 4th place is the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. This compact and portable clothes dryer is another perfect solution for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, and even summer cabins. Weighing only 37.3 pounds, it can be easily mounted on the wall, placed on a firm horizontal surface, or mounted on a rack, making it easy to move and store. Additionally, it boasts robust performance with 850 watts of power and a large 10 pounds capacity. With those specs, you know this unit will ensure your clothes will dry quickly, with different modes including cool, warm, anti-wrinkle, hot, and air dry. You can customize the drying process to suit the material and weight of your clothes. Moreover, it is designed with quiet operation in mind. The dryer provides a comfortable environment, allowing for normal conversation and sleeping without interruption. The stainless steel tub design also makes the dryer more durable, providing a longer lifespan for the appliance. You will also appreciate the package includes the dryer hanging bracket, plastic spacers, exhaust connector, and screws for installation, as well as an instruction manual for easy setup. Overall, the compact and portable clothes dryer is a powerful, multifunctional, and high-quality appliance that is perfect for small spaces. Its quiet operation and durable design make it an easy-to-use dryer that will enhance your laundry experience. Its pros are: it has a compact and portable design, it utilizes 850 watts of power for improved performance, and it is a durable design with a stainless steel tub. However, a relatively common issue is that one of the drive belts might start slipping, which is something to be aware of. The COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer is a great tool for student apartments or small families looking to speed up laundry day. Still haven't found a portable dryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Sentern Tumble Dryer. The Mirax Portable Clothes Dryer is an ideal choice for those seeking a fast, efficient, and space-saving drying solution. With a rapid drying time of just 20 minutes and 4 distinct modes, cool down, warm, hot, and air dry, this dryer is capable of handling a variety of loads and fabrics. The gentle down mode is specifically designed to protect delicate fabrics from damage. This dryer also features a drying sensor mode that automatically senses when a load of laundry is dry, enabling the down setting to prevent damage and conserve energy. Additionally, the dryer has an auto stop feature that automatically stops the machine when the door is opened, providing extra safety. What's more, the Merex portable clothes dryer operates quietly, making it suitable for any setting, without disrupting conversations or sleep. It has a clothing capacity of 9 pounds and comes with a bonus wall mounting kit, allowing you to mount the dryer on the wall and save floor space. Built with a durable outer metal hard shell, stainless steel inner drum, lint holder, air intake filter, and more, this dryer is designed to last. With measurements of 24 by 18 by 28.5 inches, it is the perfect size for small to medium-sized loads. Overall, the Merex portable clothes dryer is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a quick, efficient, and space-saving solution for their laundry needs. With its drying sensor mode, auto stop feature, quiet tumbling, and wall mounting kit, this dryer is an excellent addition to any home. Its pros are, it has a quick drying time of 20 minutes with 4 functional modes, it has quiet tumbling for minimal disruption, and it is made with durable materials. However, the control knob is on the bottom right of the dryer, which makes it awkward to reach if you have the unit set on the floor. The Sentern Tumble dryer is a wonderful device for quickly drying loads during winter months, or if you don't have access to a laundromat. The second product on this list is the Euhomy CD-9. Are you tired of waiting for hours for your clothes to dry, only to find them still damp? Say goodbye to damp clothes and hello to Euhomy portable clothes dryer. With a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, your clothes will dry quickly and efficiently. Plus, it has a front and back flip function, as well as a unique internal structure that saves energy and reduces drying time. But that's not all. This dryer has a liquid crystal display and 4 drying modes, including the Eco mode, which deodorizes clothes, and the Intelligent mode, which automatically adjusts drying time based on humidity. You can also easily load and unload your clothes thanks to the wide-angle 105-degree door opening and transparent window. Plus, the cotton filters prevent cotton wool from flying out, and the handle allows for easy mobility. But what about safety? The Euhomy portable clothes dryer has got you covered with ETL and DOE certifications, ensuring the safety and quality of the product. It is also portable and can be installed on a countertop, firm level ground, or with a bracket. So if you're looking for a compact, convenient, and safe dryer, the Euhomy portable clothes dryer may be the perfect one for you. Its pros are, it has a large capacity of 14.5 pounds, it has front and back flip functions for efficient drying, and it has a convenient LCD display allowing you to select from a range of handy modes to suit your needs. However, some users find that the drying time may vary a lot depending on the humidity level. The Euhomy CD-9 is a great tool for any household. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top portable dryers is the BLACK+DECKER BCED26. Are you tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or dealing with damp clothes hanging in your small apartment? Look no further than this BLACK+DECKER portable dryer, the ultimate solution for drying your clothes in a compact and convenient way. With 4 different drying modes, air dry, cool, warm, and hot, you can pick the best option to suit your needs. Its 1400 watts of drying power and overheating protection make it both efficient and safe to use. Measuring 23.6 by 17.1 by 27.5 inches and weighing 48.4 pounds, this dryer is perfect for small spaces such as apartments, dorm rooms, and campers. Moreover, it comes with everything you need to get started, including a 4-inch diameter vent hose, exhaust connector, lint, and exhaust filters. Its durable stainless steel drum and front-loading transparent lid make it easy to use and monitor the drying process. Even better, with drying times ranging from 30 minutes to 200 minutes, you'll have freshly dried laundry on a timescale that suits you and your clothes. Whether you're a college student, a traveler, or simply have limited space at home, this unit is the perfect solution for all your drying needs. So don't wait. Wave farewell to damp clothes and say hello to convenience. Its pros are, it has multiple drying modes to choose from. It comes with a 4-inch diameter vent hose and exhaust connector, lint, and exhaust filters. It is straightforward to use with drying times varying from 30 minutes to 200 minutes, and it has a compact and portable design. However, it is not the quietest dryer on our list today. The BLACK+DECKER BCED26 is a brilliant product that is not only easy to move from place to place, but will effectively dry all of your laundry more efficiently. It's recommended for any household with limited space. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.